my people, I am back again, and guess what guys, today we are going to prepare pilau. Jameni, tunavuka kule Mombasani kwa Waswahili wetu jameni. So onto my ingredients today. I'll be having some onions. I've chopped 3 onions. Then I'm having potatoes, waru. I'm having my rice over here, garlic, soy sauce, oil of course, my coriander which is dhania, capsicum which is hoho. Then I have pilau masala here. I have tomato paste. I have nyanya zangu over here. Then over here I have my cardamom seeds. This is my cardamom seed. These are my cumin seeds. Hidi ndogo ndogo ni cumin seeds. Then over here I have my cloves. And finally I have my meat over here. So that's my recipe. Let's get into it. Okay, so our first step is to put some cooking oil. Then I'm going to add my dry ingredients. This one, like I had said earlier, I have cardamom here, I have cumin seeds, and I have some cloves. So guys, after this I'm going to add my onions. Like I said, these are 4 onions. And I want them to turn golden brown, like a very nice golden brown. So I'm just going to leave it for a moment, then I'll come back. After a while, I've obtained the color I wanted, this dark brown color. I'm loving it. So I'm going to add my garlic at this point because garlic huiva haraka. Then at this point guys, I'm going to add my meat. So the next step guys, I'm going to add my potato, my warus, and continue stirring. Looking all promising. So at this point I'm going to add my nyanyas. After adding my nyanyas, I'm going to add my tomatoes. Not my tomatoes, my tomato paste. And the spices come in. Actually, I'm only using 1 spice, which is 2 tablespoons of pilau masala. I'm going to sprinkle it like that. Stir. Let's not say how. Adding my salt. Wow, this mixture is amazing. Then I'm going to add my capsicum. So I'll add a little bit of soy sauce. So after adding my soy sauce, I'm going to add my rice here. And as simple as that, you have your pilau and you enjoy with your family, your friends, everyone. So, and at this point I'm going to add water. This rice was 1.5 cups, so nimeweka 3 cups of water. Nilikuwa na ile supu yenye ilikuwa imebaki when I had boiled my meat. It's nice using it, but I've forgotten it. I'll drink it. You know, it's also sweet. Hiyo ukiweka chumvi, kama supu ya mbuzi. So I'm going to leave it for like, I think 20 minutes. Whoa. And I think, guys, I think it has taken like 25 minutes. I'm telling you, hii nyumba yote inanukia. And finally we are going to add our coriander. When you see coriander is being added, no ndio mwisho wa sinema. Finally, let me do the honors. For watching, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and click that notification bell. Till next time, bye bye.